So we start off today's video with this amazing pixie haircut. I really like the color with this one. It has like the contrasting hair color of blonde and black. Oh, wow. She decided to switch it up with platinum. Oh, this is even better. What an amazing transformation and so unexpected. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So a lot of these, of course, are going to be from long to short. Here we have someone, it looks like she is going quite short. She does have a bit of gray going there at the root, so I'm guessing she's probably going to be adding in some color with this one as well. Oh, wow, she kept her gray and embraced it. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous, classic pixie style, beautiful grays. So next up, it looks like we have another pixie. Oh, a pixie bob. Oh, this is gorgeous. Loving the feather texture that the stylist created in the bang area as well as in the back. Lots of body with this one. Beautiful. And I really like the color that she has as well. So here we have someone with pretty long hair. I'd say about mid-length or so. And she ended up getting a lob haircut. Gorgeous. I love the deep waves that the stylist added. Beautiful retro vibe with this style. So here we have another transformation that features some bangs. Like the stylist is just kind of cutting the ends, giving her a bit of a trim. A few layers in the front to frame out the face. Gorgeous. And we're seeing a lot of layered hairstyles with bangs this season. Very nice transformation. And then we have another similar style with someone who has shorter hair for the next one. So this client also has thinner hair versus their previous one. So it's nice to see a same or similar haircut on someone who has thinner hair. And the stylist also did a shorter look for this one as well. Gorgeous. The layers really added a nice amount of texture. Beautiful. And this one does have more of like the wolf cut feel to it versus the other one. So we have the stylist adding in some color for this transformation. Oh, another beautiful example of a layered haircut. And it looks to me like she's doing a layered bob style. And then going in and adding some texture. Oh, this is really pretty. So next up we have another long to short transformation. The stylist consults the client to see what she wants. And it looks like she's might be getting a bob or a pixie. Oh yeah, he's definitely going to be doing a pixie. Oh, he actually ended up doing a pixie bob. Oh, this is gorgeous. So beautiful. And this is a very popular hair trend that we're seeing now, the pixie bob style. The color looks great. The cut looks great. It really frames out her face beautifully. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all the hairstyles spotted within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.